We'll start. Okay. Let us first start with the attendance. Okay. So respond to your roll calls. Roll number 101.
Sir,
Then 119.
present sir.
1 second.
Present sir.
Am I audible now?
Yes sir.
Okay. Next. 148.
Yes sir.
Then 165, 2105, 165. Tushar. Then 168. Suresh. Okay. Next 168,
Present, sir.
205,
Present, sir.
207,
Present, sir.
213, 213, 227, 229,
Present, sir.
294,
Present, sir.
318, 318,
Present, sir.
320,
Present, sir.
353,
Present, sir.
479, 479.
Present, sir.
Next 491,
Present, sir.
567,
Present, sir.
575,
Present, sir.
651, 651. Riya Raj.
Present, sir.
660, 660.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Then 678, 678. Sweta Kumari. Then 798,
Present, sir.
809,
Present, sir.
811,
Present, sir.
814,
Present, sir.
815,
Present, sir.
817,
Present, sir.
825,
Present, sir.
832, 853,
Present, sir.
895,
Present, sir.
936, 936, Abdul. Then 939,
Present, sir.
957,
Present, sir.
959, 959,
Present, sir.
then 960,
Present, sir.
992,
Present, sir.
1026,
Yes, sir.
1058, 1058, Jayant,
Present, sir.
1111,
Present, sir.
1134,
Present, sir.
1206,
Present, sir.
1235,
Present, sir.
1246, 1246, Sanket.
Present, sir.
Then 1253, 1253,
Present, sir.
1268,
Present, sir.
1315,
Present, sir.
1348,
Present, sir.
1397,
Present, sir.
1399,
Present, sir.
1427,
Present, sir.
then 1434,
Present, sir.
1467,
Present, sir.
1539,
Present,
153,
present,
1603, 1603, Soradeep. Absent.
present, sir.
Soradeep.
Yes, sir.
Next 1663,
Present, sir.
1673,
Present, sir.
1883, 1883, Aryan Kumar. Next 1885, 1910,
Present, sir.
1939,
Present, sir.
1985.
So she's present. She got disconnected.
Okay, okay. When we come, we will tell. Okay, no issue. Next, 2005,
Present, sir.
2072,
Present, sir.
2110,
Present, sir.
2129, 2129, Abhirup Datta,
Present, sir.
then 2187,
Yes, sir.
2253,
Present, sir.
2270, 2270, Robin.
Sir, he write on the chat, sir.
Okay, that okay. Then 2460,
Present, sir.
2516, 2516, Pratyus. Then 2532,
Present, sir.
2540,
Present, sir.
2680,
Present, sir.
2700,
Present, sir.
2865, 2865, Samarth Rai. Then 2932,
Present, sir.
3469.
Yes, sir.
Anyone missed the attendance? One second, let me check the chat box. 959.
So 936.
One second, I'm not call. One second, let me check the first chart windows. Have anyone missed?
Sir, 270.
936.
One by one. 270. Your roll number is not there in the list. 270.
Sir, 2270.
2270. Huh, you put in the chat box, no? Huh,
Yes, sir.
done.
Yes, sir.
Next,
So 936.
936. Okay. Next.
Sir, did you mark towards present, sir?
Sorry. Can you repeat?
Sir, did you mark towards 65 present?
Two. Can you repeat your number? Two.
865, Samarth Rai.
2865. 2865. Huh, done.
Okay, sir.
Sir, have
me,
you
sir.
marked 2700 Saksham Sharma?
Huh, done. Next.
Sir, 253.
253. 253. Your whole roll number?
210 51253. Saeed Anwar.
Can you type in the chart window? I need to search. I don't think 2153. Can you repeat again? One second. Let me search first.
Sir, sent in the chat box.
You're 1253. Okay. 1253. 1253 done.
Thank you, sir.
So whoever have sent the mail, they only belong to this class. Okay. So if you got mail from others, maybe you will not be in this class. So whoever I just call their roll numbers, they are only from this section. Okay. So only they need to join in the Google Classroom. I've already shared the link. Okay. So all the communication regarding your activities or the assignment, quiz, everything will be done through the classroom only. So all the students need to join the classroom. Okay. So has everyone joined the classroom or anyone not joined yet? Everyone joined?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You can see few not joined yet on the 62. So still 14, 15 not joined. So whoever not joined, join the classroom. Okay. So all the communication will be done through the classroom only. Okay. So your submission, all those things, it will be done through the classroom. Okay. So you will send anything to the mail, means assignments, quiz, those things. You need to upload everything in the classroom. Okay. That will be only your interface. Next. So as you know already notice is there. So initially your classes will be in online mode, then your classes will be in the offline mode. So when your classes will be open for offline, you already got the mail now.
So 13, 14th is the reporting.
13, 14 of August. Till that time, we'll continue with this Google Meet. So whatever link I shared today, the link will remain same. So I will not send every day. You save this. I will put that link in the classroom also. Once everyone joins, I will create a thread in the classroom. Okay. So in classroom, you can use this link, or I have already shared this link in the mail. So you need to join the class each day using this only. Okay. So, as you know about this course, okay. So, what is the name of this course? अभी क्या है? अभी टाइम टेबल में क्या था? Which course you have now?
Digital electronics.
D
Sir, digital electronics.
Digital Electronics. Okay. One second. Let me share the screen. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I guess in your maybe in your second semester or first semester you have analog electronics.
Yes, sir.
In your
Yes,
first
sir.
semester or second semester?
Sir, first.
Sir, second semester.
Second semester. So recently only it is finished. Okay. So this is the next course which is offered by the School of Electronics Engineering. Okay. So your course name is Digital Electronics. This credit point is 3 year. So in each week we'll get 3 classes. Okay. So timetable also I mentioned in the mail. So we have class on Monday, then I guess Tuesday, then Thursday. Okay. So course code for this is EC2011. Here prerequisite is nothing, but basically you will require those binary numbers. I guess you already studied about those binary numbers or different number systems. Okay, you have already studied those things in either in your plus two or your 10th standard. Have you studied or not studied? Number systems, different number systems, especially binary number system. Have you studied anyone? Studied or not studied?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sir.
So it is not mentioned, but those things are the prerequisite. So when we will see the syllabus later on, you'll find that those things are not there. So in this course, it is already assumed that you will know up to that much. So if you have not gone through yet, go through the binary numbers and other number systems, okay, which will be extensively used. Basically, binary number we will use. As you know, computers use the binary numbers, so we'll use those binary numbers. Okay. So prerequisite means your course point of view, nothing. So nothing you have studied in your first semester, second semester. So that's why prerequisite is need. Actual prerequisite is your number system. Then aim of the course. After finishing this, you'll be able to understand the essence and application of digital electronics in day-to-day life. Whatever you are using, how it is helpful, how it will help you. Okay, that you'll be able to understand after finishing this course. Okay. So how by using different kind of designing approach, maybe combinational circuit, sequential circuit, or about different kind of logic family in which you'll be able to design. So that thing we'll discuss later on. Okay. That is the aim of the course. So any course you are studying, not related to this, for all the courses, each courses will have certain number of course outcomes or learning outcomes, or you can call them as course learning outcomes. So this can be called as CO, CLO. Different notations are there. So for each course, in our BTech course, we have six number of COs. So after successfully completing a course, you will be able to understand about all the COs, CO1 to CO6. So basically, it will depend upon the modules. Okay. So maybe one module or maybe a combination of two modules. So after finishing those modules, you will able to find out. Okay, you'll be able to find out about the COs. So CO1, after this you'll be able to simplify and realize Boolean expression. Just I am just reading this because you don't know about these things. Okay. So when we'll finish one module, you'll be able to understand these things. So after finishing chapter number one, you'll be able to simplify and realize any kind of Boolean expression. So that is the objective of your chapter one or module one. Okay. So which deals with this course outcome one. Similarly, after finishing chapter 2, okay, we will be able to design various kind of combinational circuits. Similarly, CO3. So after finishing chapter number 3, so basically we have six number of chapters. So each chapter will correspond to a CO. So after finishing chapter number 3, you will be able to design various kind of sequential circuits with the help of flip-flop. Next, chapter 4, your objective is to design and implement your finite state machines, FSM, with the help of different models. Next, CO5, you'll be able to differentiate between different kind of logic families. And last CO, you'll be able to differentiate between different kind of ADCs and DAC. ADC means analog digital converter and digital to analog converter. So once a chapter is finished, how you will analyze that you have studied properly or not? So these are the key points. So this is your target. So after finishing chapter 1, you should be like the CO1, you should be able to simplify and realize any kind of Boolean expression. So that is like your objective. This is the objective for the chapters. So from chapter 1 to chapter 6, which deals with CO1 to CO6. Next is the day-wise lesson plan. I will put everything in the classroom. Okay. As I told you, you can see here. So this is the day-wise lesson plan. So basically, you will try to follow this. It is not possible to follow exactly 100% out of this. Okay. So there will be some here and there.
Sir, you are still on the first slide only. We can't see
You are
the.
not able to see.
No, it's
Now it is visible,
He
sir.
said now it is visible.
Okay. So full screen maybe it is not visible. Now is it fine?
Yes, sir, it's visual.
It's visible.
So just we discussed about this course outcome, CO1 to CO6, nothing else. Then this is the day-wise lesson plan. So as I told you, there are six chapters or six modules. Okay. So first module is Introduction to Boolean Algebra. So you can see here, as I told, binary numbers are not there. Directly it starts as Introduction to Digital Electronics, then directly into signed binary number. Okay. So there is a task for you. You should before coming to next class, just go through the different kind of number systems, how to convert. Okay. In our day-to-day life, which number system we are using? In our day-to-day life, which kind of number system we are using? We are comfortable in which number system?
decimal.
We are using decimal number system. Decimal number means we are using 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay. So there are different number systems: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Okay. So we should go through all the number system specifically for the binary numbers. Okay. So next class later on we will see. First of all, we'll see about those introduction to binary number systems in next class. Okay. So later on we will go to signed binary number. Then it's arithmetic, binary arithmetic. It's addition, subtraction. Then we'll see about binary codes, different kind of codes like BCD code, V code, XS3 code. So different kind of codes we'll discuss. Next, we'll discuss error detection code and error correction code. Next, we'll discuss logic gate. Okay. So in logic gate, different kind of basic logic gate, universal gates, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Okay. Next, We'll go for Boolean algebra, its basic theorem and properties, then how to minimize any Boolean expressions. Then we'll go for De Morgan's theorem, then what is a main term, what is mixed term. Then these are important. We'll discuss about k-mean representation, then simplification of a Boolean expression and realization with different kind of gates. Same thing also date also. Then we'll discuss some problems. Problems, it is not specific. It is mentioned here day 9. Okay, so it is not either like that. So depending upon each whatever we are studying, at the same time we will try to solve the problem. So in that day it will be helpful. So we'll basically I will not go for any specific kind of tutorial classes. So only which only tutorial classes I will solve the problems. So when and where problems are required, I will solve there only. Okay. Next, combinational circuits, module 2. Okay, so here basically we'll discuss about adders, subtractors, comparators, decoders. Okay, then your encoders, multiplexer, demultiplexer. Okay, so detailed discussion we will do when we will discuss about those topics. So module 1, introduction, module 2, combinational circuit, then module 3 is a sequential circuit. So module 3 is sequential circuit. So in this sequential circuit basically it consists of one is flip-flop, okay, then shift registers, okay, then the counters. So basically it consists of three parts: counters, then shift registers and the flip-flops. Next, module 4. Module 4 is this finite state machine. Okay. So here we learn how to implement a finite state machine, what is finite state machine, how to implement this with the help of different flip-flop. Okay. So we'll discuss that. Next, module 5 is a logic family. So this is basically all our theory. So how transistor, as you have studied about the transistors, bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor. So how they behave as a switch. Okay. How we can get 0 and 1 out of this, that we will discuss. Then characteristic of logic families. Okay, different characteristic, and also different logic families like this one and digital IC series. This all this. Then last chapter is a digital to analog converter and analog to digital converter. So in digital to analog converter, we'll discuss two. One is binary weighted register network and R2R ladder network DAC. Next is analog to digital converter. Here we'll discuss three kind of ADC. One is flash type ADC, counter type ADC, and successive approximation type ADC. Okay. So out of these 6 modules or 6 chapters, okay, so first 2 chapters are big enough. Okay, these are a little bit bigger. Others are very smaller ones. Module 3 to module 6. They will not take very much time. Okay. So module 1 to will take more time to learn this thing, as these are basics. Okay. So we'll only focus on this. We'll spend a little bit more time. From module 3 onwards, we'll little bit will go first, and we'll finish module 3 to module 6. So up to mid semester examination, at least module 2 will come. Everything from module 2 will come. Okay. So accordingly we'll prepare. Then mode of teaching, as you know already, initially we'll go for online. Then when college reopens for you for offline classes, we'll go for the offline classes. Study materials, I will use PPT for this only. Okay. Then your textbook, it is consist of 2 textbook and 2 reference book. Okay. So I guess you will get this book. This is your textbook number 1, Fundamental of Digital Logic by Anand Kumar. Have you got the textbook yet or not? Have you received the textbook at the soft copy?
Sir, we have received e-books, but not the textbook actually.
Okay, not textbook, it's e-books. Have you received about e-books for this?
No, sir, For this subject, we haven't received e-book also.
Okay, so ebooks you are getting means authorized ones you are getting or what you are getting. Means you are getting from somewhere you are downloading or someone is providing.
So we received it from the
Central library.
central library, like email ID.
Okay. So this one we will not get soft copy. Okay. So you can search for this. This book is available. Okay. You can get. Okay. I will search if I will have. I will share you this. The WhatsApp group I will share. Okay. For more, if you want, you can go to this reference books. Okay. Online, if you want, there are different websites, NPTEL, MIT, Coursera, everywhere these are available. If you want further regarding this, you can refer those also. Next is your assessment. Okay, so assessment, as you know, assessment out of 100 marks, your mid-semester mark here is 20 mark, and semester mark here is 15 mark. These are the closed book examination. You will be appearing a examination for this. Third one is a continuous assessment, which is of 30 marks. Okay. So out of this 30 marks, what to do basically, we'll go for 2 assignments, 2 quizzes. Okay. Timeline can vary. This is person to person wise, so it is not that whatever mentioned I will do accordingly. Okay. So this thing is fixed. Okay. This one, activity one, this one is fixed. So basically we'll go for 2 assignment, 1 assignment before the mid semester, 1 assignment after the mid semester. Similarly 2 quizzes, one before mid semester, one after mid semester. Then one activity, in one activity maybe this can be any circuit design or maybe a hardware design, you can do that, or you can appear any PPT you can prepare and report you can prepare. Okay, so that will be activity. So this one is a,
Will it be a group one or individual?
yes, all others are individual activity. This one is the, this one is your group activity. Maximum 5 students can be there in a group. Okay, more than 5 is not possible. So accordingly you can form. Maximum student will be in a group will be a 5. Okay. So anything if you want, maybe you want to design some hardware, you can do that. If you want to design maybe in a simulation platform you want to design, you want to implement, you can do that. Or you can go for some kind of literature survey, or you can study something, you can prepare a report out of that, PPT out of that, you need to present. Apart from that, we will go for some weekly test. This quizzes or weekly test will be in MCQ form. Okay, it will be in MCQ. So accordingly, we will do that. Online, it is also MCQ. Once you come, then also it will be MCQ only. Okay. So this is all about this course. It is the introduction class. So we will not discuss further. Okay. So next class we will start about the our course. So anyone having any doubt, anything related to this course or anything else? Anyone? Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Let me create a WhatsApp group. 1 second. So I shared the WhatsApp link in the chat window. So all of you can join the WhatsApp group using this link. Okay. After joining, write your roll number there. Okay, and don't share this group with other member. This is only for this CSE 03. Okay. Anyone, if anyone having any other doubt, if any doubt,